morning, everybody. It's April 22nd, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your Morning T.A. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has dipped to 26 from yesterday's 27. Bitcoin dominance is at 41%. 24-hour volume is 107 billion. And the overall market cap is 1.88 trillion. Give or take 100 million. A minor 7th, add the 2. Let the jazz cats that you know the secret jazz handshake. He's a ladies' man, a chord Casanova. Women want to be with him and men want to be like him. A strong chin line and even stronger hairline. He's been everywhere and done everything. Is A minor 7th, add the 2. The Dos Equis, most interesting man in the world. Well, there's some good news. There's some bad news. The good news is our bull flag we talked about on Tuesday essentially played out in full. You take the pull, you slide it out of the breakout point, and then we're all at 43.3. Whoa, pianomattyb. Are you some sort of opiomatic fool? And after climbing all week, price action summited just shy of 43K, and well, here's the bad news. After hitting our targets, she came crashing right back down to where we started and carved out a bear flag while she's at it. And in the name of unbiased data mining, the probability of that bear flag is, and sing it with me now. You take the pull, you slide it all the breakout point, and then we're all at 37.5-ish. Shut your mouth. And that's not where the bad news ends, unfortunately. 'Cause over on the daily, we have some rather bearish setups in the data that we should talk about, because that's what we do here. We talk about the data, the good, the bad, and the bearish. After our epic reversal back down to old Swissy's support line, we Kool-Aid guide right through it and its resistance before rallying back and tucking ourselves back in it, just barely. Well, pianomattyb, that doesn't sound too bad, and that's because that isn't the bad news. Coming back down and mincing words at this level has carved out the mother of all head and shoulders patterns, and we'll have to call in good old Mr. Clean to take a spot in the sun. And if, and I say if, we break down of old Swissy at 40.3, which is essentially where we're at time of production. Well,
that which once wicked will get kindled still.
Yes, the angelic voices of the children's choir of enchanted wicks will likely candlestick these two ne'er-do-wells as they both fall within our price probability. Back on the 4-hour charts, bear flag, 37.5-ish, shut your mouth. Well, pianomattyb, that's the same bad news we've already been over. And yes, that's because it's not the bad news, but thanks for asking. The bad news is the price probability of the mother of all head and shoulders pattern, and that is N. Sing it with me now. Oh, you take the pull, you slide it all the breakout point, and then we're all at 31.7. And that handsome ladies man, A minor 7th, add the 2. So at least he's nice to look at. which would candlestick our last 2 remaining wicks and plant us firmly on the sunless side of old Swissy. But there is a caveat here. It's not one I'm proud of, nor one I like to acknowledge, but it's the fact that we are still sadly a function of the legacy zombie markets, as you can see as I overlay the S&P 500 over the daily. Carbon copy, et toi. We're just really following the robot quant bots, executing their buy and sell algorithms. So although the technicals are giving us said data, it can all be reversed by the actions of the zombie markets. If the bots start executing buy algos based on what the corpse is running the monetary system, mutter between golf games and polo matches, well, these patterns we've spoke of won't play out. So my Hail Mary optimistic pass is that they mumble some arbitrary, positive sounding news that the zombie market quant bots react to. Barring that, we'll likely see the technicals just play out and fulfill their market's psychological destinies. But remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And it's Friday, so join me tonight at 9:30 for the live stream with the live dueling all request pianos. If you have any requests, put them in the comments section. And, of course, sing me out. Around the banks of boom the spank. Whoa! How can I forget that? I just forgot the big ending there. So we're going to have to do it again. Sing me out. I'll run the banks of boom to spank. Whoa! A ch-ch-ch. Ching! Have a great weekend, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this